Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Glisten the Mirror from Dandy's World. So let's get started. To draw a cute Glisten, let's first start by drawing a big curve for the top of her head. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to draw kind of as if I'm drawing the bottom of a circle. And we're going to loop right back up to the same height as this part right here that we started. So now that we have this nice big curve, we're going to go ahead and draw another circle, but really big this time. So we're going to come right here, and this is going to be the head shape. And let's go both sides. So I'm going to go back and forth, just kind of my curves to create this big circle for the head. And go ahead and bring it down. If you're more comfortable just drawing a circle first for the head and then putting in this curve, definitely do that. If you're using a pencil, then you can erase it. That might be a little bit easier. So go ahead and about right there, connect it. There, so I have this big, almost like a bib, right? It looks like a bib to me. So now that we have this shape in, let's come back up here and we're creating this curve because we need to draw the hair. So I'm going to continue this and go up like a cinnamon roll. So nice and high as well. And we're just going to go around, bring it down, and just follow this curve again. And bring it into about right there. Then from there, we need to draw the outside. So let's come about right here at this thickness. And we're going to drag this across to about right there. And we're just going to follow the curve that we drew for the inside. So just go all the way around. And definitely turn your body or the paper to help you draw this curve. Okay, so there, finally got my curves in. And then from there we need to draw the face. So I am going to come find my center and say it's about right here. I'm going to come down about in this area. I'm going to go to the left a little bit and go to the right a little bit and just give myself 2 points. So towards the top a little bit. Then from there, I'm going to draw a soft curve going all the way across, almost to the edge. And same thing here, almost to the edge, just a soft curve. Then from there, we're going to deepen the eyes. So let's start over here. And we're going to bring a curve, deep curve down. And go all the way back up. And same thing here. Go all the way back up. And then from there, let's come inside towards this edge more. We're going to draw another curve. All the way back. So a little bit more space here and a little bit less here on this side. And shade this all in. And same thing over here. There. And I'm just going to come to the top and thicken up this top curve just so my eyes are anchored a little bit better. And at the top right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve on each side. And let's give this Glisten the Mirror a cute smile. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve going slightly upwards and then cap it off. And then there's some cheeks right here when you're coloring it in. Okay, so we have the head in. Now let's draw the body. So we're going to center the body. So about right here and here. Come down, just a slight angle, and then we're going to round it off. So very simple, like a bug, right? So kind of like drawing a butterfly. And then we're going to come right here and draw a curve. Another curve for some details. And let's come down here. So we're going to draw the leg. So the center, let's go to the left, go to the right, and then we're going to bring down a line. So slightly wider towards the bottom. So we're going to angle this out. And let's work on this side first. I'm going to cut it off. And then we're going to come out, poof it down. So these are like those leg warmers, I guess you would call them. And curve, and then the feet. There. So same thing here. So kind of, and then poof it out a little bit. And same thing here. Connect and little feet. There. And now for the hands, we're just going to have them on the hip area. So I'm going to come about right here. Going to draw a curve and then just bring it down. Then we're going to thicken it up. And then about right here, I'm going to come down with a slight curve and then out for the fingers. So same thing on the other side. Just going to drag that a point. Try my best to match the other side. Same thing here. And then down, and then fingers, and then back up. There. And then now for the wings. So I'm going to come out, kind of like the edge of the eye, about right here. And I'm just going to draw one curve, and then another one. And just bring it in. So same thing on the other side. And the edge of the eye, about right here. And kind of want to end about right there, just like this side. So approximate here and then come back to about here. There. Yay! We did it. And last but not least, I'm just going to add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Glisten the Mirror from Dandy's World. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.